very happy to be a part of your function here. We are having our Poultry India function in high-tech. That is where the poultry has reached now. It has become high-tech. Otherwise, you cannot survive. The fittest is going to survive in this field. And unless you become cost-effective, unless you become the best and most remunerative prices you should get, at the same time reduce the cost. Otherwise, it is going to be very difficult for the poultry farmers to survive. I always have treated, I always feel the farmer should never bow his head to anyone. He is an independent person. He is a person who feeds not only the country, the world. So you should never bow your head to anyone. The farmer should always have his head high. There is one secret in poultry. I think Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya follows it. There is a familiarity between a cricket player, a politician, and a poultry owner. Do you know what it is? A cricket player should always be in his crease. He will get his runs when the time comes. So also a politician should always be in the field. He will get his post when the time comes. So also a poultry farmer should always continue his poultry farming. His price will come when it is due to come. When it is low, you should not close it. You have to survive. Then the price will automatically come. So that is the secret of poultry farming, and I think all of you are very well versed in that. And from the government, we are trying our best to do everything possible to help the poultry. I am proud that we are number one in the country. Today, we were number one in the country in poultry. Last month, we have become number one in the country in fisheries and prawn culture. And very soon, I want the state to be the number one in milk production also. We are number two today. I am not only talking of agriculture and talking of poultry, talking of dairy, and not doing anything from the government. If you see our budgets, what was 876 crores, the total budget of agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, horticulture and sericulture put together, which I feel is the comprehensive what an agriculture requires. From 876 crores in 2005, this year my budget is 5,546 crores. We have increased it so many folds, literally 7-fold or 8-fold, so many times we have increased the budget. And this has to reach the farmer to a large extent. The budget of animal husbandry was 195 crores. I think this year it is 1,000 crores is the budget for only animal husbandry. So this we are doing because it is required for the farmers, and it is very important that this sector, this is the only sectors within 3 years, every 3 years you can double your production. There is no industry, there is no other sector where you can increase the income of a sector 100% in 3 years. These are the only sectors, horticulture or poultry or dairy, or these are the sectors. We thought we will give it for 280, 50%. From next year we will make it full price. From next year we will make it full price. This year we will give it from this first at 280, 2 rupees 80 price. That is 50% of the present price which is being charged. So please learn to ask also. You should know what you are asking. So maybe I would have considered more if you had asked me little more. Thank you very much for inviting me here. In fact, a pleasure being here, and it's very nice the Secretary and Joint Secretary are here. This is a field which requires a lot of support. Everything is interconnected. And this interconnectedness between the farmer and the poultry farmer, the price and the selling price, everything. And yes, egg is one thing which is anyone can afford. I think I have an egg every day from the age of 6. So I recommend that you have an egg every day. Everyone should have an egg every day. Thank you very much, and thank you for inviting me here.